So homework 36, we're going to multiply our rational expressions, multiply our fractions. First thing we're going to do is see if we can do any reducing. So you said 7 goes into 7 once, into 14 2 times. Now we're also going to do some canceling with our variables, but since we have them in there in multiple places, I like to go ahead and multiply across the top and across the bottom first and put everything in order. So on the top I've got 2 times 2, which is 4. I've got a b to the 5th. And then I've got a c times another c, so c to the 2nd. On the bottom, I've got a c to the 3rd and a b to the 2nd, but I like to put them in order so everything lines up nice. So I'm going to put the b squared first and then the c to the 3rd. Now we've already reduced down our numbers, so now we just have to worry about doing the variables. We remember here that when we're doing this, we're subtracting the smaller one from the bigger one. If I've got 5 b's on top and 2 on the bottom, I can take 2 of them out of there, which leaves me a b to the 3rd up on top, right? On my c's, I've got c to the 2nd on top and c to the 3rd on the bottom. I can take out 2 of them, which leaves me a c to the 1st, or just plain c on the bottom. So my answer here is that I have 4b to the 3rd over c. All right. So now we'll get a little bit longer one here down on the next one. First thing I want to do is see if I can do any canceling with my numbers so my numbers aren't so big before I multiply. So if I reduce my numbers, I can do what?
Cancel the 2 and make a 1.
2 goes into 2 once.
And 4 into twice.
Into 4 2 times.
And then the 5, 1.
5 goes into 5 once and into 15.
3.
3 times. So now if I go ahead and multiply across the top, I'm going to have what?
3. You were going to put the variables in there too?
Yep.
So we got y to the 3rd and b to the 5th.
Okay.
Which then should be in order alphabetically.
That's okay. We'll just might write the other ones the other way around. So on the bottom, what are we left with?
We're going to have 2by.
2b and y. So when we look there, we can cancel out
1b.
1b, which leaves me
b to the 4th.
b to the 4th up on top, and
1y.
1y.
Which is y squared.
So my answer,
3y squared b to the 4th over 2.
there it is. All right, one more of those, number 3. Number 3, what are we going to do with that one?
We're going to reduce the 2 to 1 and the 6 to a 3, the 5 to a 1 and the 10 to a 2.
Okay, then we're going to have
3ax.
what are we going to
No,
have?
we're going to have 2ax.
2ax, because we're multiplying.
Yes. Over 3ax squared.
Okay, so what can I do with that?
You can cancel out the a and cancel out 1x.
And I'm left with
2 over 3x.
2 over 3x. Exactly. All right, those weren't so bad, right?
No, that were